How do you deal with losses in day trading? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. It's going to be a little bit shorter of a video. Just going to give you my thoughts, my processes, things I do when I deal with losses. But first, before we get into that, be sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more daily content because we're putting out content every single day. There was a few days where I didn't because I got a little busy, but you know what? We're still putting out content all the time. So be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel to get that content because it's going to be free value to help you become a profitable trader. Let's get in the video. So we all know, or at least you should know, that losses in trading are inevitable. They're going to happen. You might go on like a 5, 6, whatever day win streak, but eventually you're going to come across that one day where you have a red day. And a lot of people don't know how to control those days. You can get your emotions tied to it. Your discipline starts to go out the window. Everything that you taught yourself as a trader kind of just exit your brain and you just kind of go dumb for a second. And that's completely normal. That is when you're in your new stages, the early stages of trading, that is completely normal. We all actually go through that. Even the most seasoned traders go through that time period where it's like everything you taught yourself and you train yourself on kind of just exits the building for a second. Then you have to kind of remind yourself after you go through that big loss of what you did wrong and why you should never do it again and learn from it. And like I said, those red days are inevitable. They're going to happen. But to deal with losses, I'm going to kind of talk about two different aspects of this. One is managing them, and two is dealing with them, right? And it's two completely different things. And when you're trading, and let's just say that you have this 3-4 day win streak, whatever, right? Well, typically you have a profit goal that you want to meet for that day. And if you say you meet your profit target that day, you walk away. But then you come to that fourth day and it's red, and it's a red day. And you're like, well, I just went on this major win streak and I don't want to lose this money. I want to keep making money. That's why I'm here in trading, is I want to keep making money. I don't want to have a red day. And then you start to encounter a red day, and it's like everything you taught yourself goes out the window. You start trying to revenge trade. You start upping your size. You start over trading, and you're not going to let it go that you're just wrong that day, and you're going to have a red day. And so what happens? All of those green days that you just had in a row are now wiped out in a matter of an hour or two, or however long you decided to mess up. And all those profits are gone, right? That is something that every trader in their early stages has gone through. And something that you learn kind of along the way is, like I just said, trading and having red days is inevitable. You're going to have those red days. And so if you can just like kind of take yourself back for a second and just focus on the patience behind trading and understanding that you're not going to be perfect and you're not going to have green days every single day, you can take that step back and just be able to accept that you're wrong. That's where you start to really get good and where you really become dangerous, because, you know, those red days only wipe out maybe one day. Maybe they don't even wipe out one day. Maybe they wipe out half a day, right? When you get real good at being wrong, those red days only wipe out half of like one green day or one green day instead of 4 of them. And that's what you want to try to avoid, because you will never, ever, ever be profitable trading that way. When one red day can blow up an entire week's worth of profits, you'll never be profitable because you will blow your account eventually. It's going to happen. Now, what do you do when you do have a big red day? What should you do? What are like the best practices to help you manage those feelings and emotions of having a red day? The best thing you could do is just size down. Maybe even take the next day off, right? Don't come into the next day tilted. If you're still feeling emotions from your big red day, you probably shouldn't trade, because you're going to make terrible trading decisions where you're going to be like, oh, I'm going to try to get back that red day today. It's going to happen. I'm going to get it all back. You're going to be in a terrible mindset, and you're going to just blow it even more. You're going to just completely wreck your account, right? And so if you have to take a day off, take a day off. But if you need to size down, right? Say you come into the next day in a good mindset, good frame of mind, and you want to trade, right? You're feeling good. Just size down, right? Don't try to keep the normal size that you had in the red day. Size down. Try to build a little bit of consistency in your day, right? In your trading day, and then size up, right? If you really want to continue that trading size, get a little bit of profit under your belt and then size up, but don't let your day go red, right? If you're sizing down and you are making money and you're green, you cannot let yourself go red if you decide to size up, because then you're going to just wreck yourself and wreck your emotions and mindset even more, right? So you need to just focus on taking profit. Have small position sizes. Take little small hits here and there. Base hits win ball games, right? If you're trying to hit a home run every single time, you're putting yourself at a major risk of blowing your account. Just take those base hits, let them add up over time, over a certain amount of trades, and then walk, right? And then the very next day, maybe do the exact same thing. Don't feel like you have to size up immediately because you had one green day. Even the next day, like focus on taking those small little base hits, those small little green trades, and build up your confidence. Because when you have a red day, your confidence just shoots through the floor, right? You're like, God, I'm a piece of crap. Like I did everything that I told myself I would not do, and I did it anyways. Like, why do I do this to myself? And your confidence is shot and through the floor, and you're just like, what's the point? Well, don't wreck your confidence any more than it already is. Focus on taking those small, consistent days, right? Those small little green days, build up that consistency, that confidence. And then when you find yourself in a good place, then you can start sizing up and capitalizing off your good trading, your good mindset, the good decisions you're making. Size up from there and really capitalize on it. That's how you grow as a trader. That's how you manage those losses and those red days, right? Sometimes take a day off, size down, right? It's okay. We all have them. There is no rush in this industry. The stock market, the futures market, whatever you trade is always going to be here. And there is absolutely no rush. If you feel like you're behind, welcome to entrepreneurship, right? We all feel like we're behind. You're not alone. Take your time, have some patience, and you will be able to manage losses better. I'm not saying you're going to get good at this like immediately in the early stages of your trading, but it will come as long as you work on it and you focus on it, right? So that's how you manage losses. That's what I do personally. Everybody's different. Everybody has their own strategies, but I just wanted to share my own thoughts and what I do personally to help manage my red days and losses. But if you guys like this kind of content, be sure to smash the like button down below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more daily content, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.